Alright, so to remove this 2020 Ram 2500 airbag, we end up using just basically a screwdriver like this, and on all the sides, or two holes. So this is the left side, and then you have one on the right side as well. Let's see if I can get it. Not sure if you can see that one, but basically what you do is you put this screwdriver in, and you're gonna have to kind of fish for it. So it's not too far in, it's like about an inch, or less than an inch most likely. You're gonna find this little spring loaded part, and you're gonna have to kind of push on it and pull on the airbag as well. So that's how it works. So if you basically go in further than an inch or so, if you're too far in, you're gonna have to go basically not too far deep. You'll find it. And again, it feels kind of spring loaded type of thing to press on. And same thing on this side as well. And once you remove it, first thing is make sure you disconnect the battery, obviously, before messing with the airbags. And once you remove it, there's gonna be two plugs on the back. You don't have to unplug the white plug, just remove this clip off the steering wheel airbag. And there's another one right there. So this is it. So the best way is to do, again, it would be like this. So it's not from the back like the older model. These are from the side of it. So you just press on that. So there's two of those. So you would be around this area. You'll find it here. This white plug, you don't have to unplug it.